Okay, we're 4.1, the angles in a plane. This is video number 2. We're talking about the relationship between angles and radians. So what is the relationship between angle measure and radian? We talk about angle measure. Typically we think about that in terms of degrees, but angle measure can also be radian. In fact, a radian, okay, is just another way to measure angles. So typically we think of angles in degrees. So if we have 1 degree would equal a rotation around our circle, so our angle rotation of 1/360th, right? Because there's 360 degrees in a circle. All right, another way to think about it, full circle equals 360 degrees. That's one rotation. Another way to write a full circle or one rotation is 2 pi radian. If we were to write, full circle, 2 pi radian. So 2 pi radian would equal 360 degrees. I can divide both sides by 2. So that means pi radian equals 180 degrees. Divide both sides by 180. That means that 1 degree equals pi over 180 radian. Okay? So that's where we're basically getting down to sort of a single unit of a degree. So 1 degree equals pi over 100 radian. And why do we want to know this? Well, it's so that we can do these conversions. Degrees to radians, radians to degrees. So degrees to radians is going to be whatever our degree is, okay, however many degrees we are, times pi over 180 radians. Again, because 1 degree, whoops, didn't mean to do that. 1 degree, okay, equals 180 pi over 180 radian. So take the total degrees we have times pi over 180, and then to do the radians to degree, whatever our radians are, we would multiply that by sort of basically the reciprocal of this, by 180 over pi, 180 degrees over pi. So let's take a look. What would that look like? So we want to convert 205 degrees. 205 degrees times pi over 180 degrees radian. So that'd be 205 pi over 180 radian. We can simplify that to be 41 pi over 36 radian. So an angle of measure 205 degrees in radian would be 41 pi over 360 radian. And we're going to leave that pi. They're not going to get a calculator out. We're not going to get an estimation. This number we have here, this value, is an exact value. That's why we leave pi there. All right, coming over here, we're going to take radian, 4 pi over 5. Here we're going to multiply it by 180 degrees over pi. Okay, because we want to convert this to degrees. Well, we can cancel a few things out here. We can cancel the pi's out. Also, 5 goes into 180 36 times. That's 36 degrees. So now we have 4 times 36 degrees equals 144 degrees. Okay, so we've converted our radians into degrees. Let us stop there, make that a quick video. We'll do third video will be to sketch the angles in radian.